Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session, we are going to see how to install Linux Dash on Linux Mint 20.2. Linux Dash is an open source server monitoring dashboard that provides itself and being simple and intuitive when managing a server instance. A high level dashboard can prove very handy. It also serves as a great visual debugging tool because of its wide array of server statistics modules. First, I'm going to check the OS version by using the following command. I'm using Linux Mint 20.2 version. Next, I'm going to check the dependency packages. First, I'm going to check the Apache 2 package. Next, I'm going to check the PHP. And next, I'm going to check the dependency packages of Git. After checking all the dependency packages, I'm getting into the Apache home directory by using the following command. Here, I'm going to clone the Linux Dash repositories by using the git clone command. After the cloning, we need to open the web browser, and here we need to give our IP. And this is the dashboard of Linux Dash, and here we can monitor all the system utils, Linux servers, RAM usage, CPU average overload, etc. The process of installing Linux Dash on Linux Mint 20.2 has come to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.